something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say.
Hey guys, how's everything going? So I'm Zeal. Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in Dubai. It is around 6 a.m. I woke up at like 5:20, 5:30. Got out and made some coffee right now. I'm gonna plan out my day. I have a couple of meetings that I'm gonna be, going out. But this video is for me to film my entire process of starting a whole new business and stepping out and how the entire process goes, and for you guys to as well see, for me to be transparent and to look back eventually in the future from what I have been doing and where I've reached. So it's a little journal for me. I hope you guys enjoy and cheers.
Bodyweight training, you working the stacks. Genius genes, gonna blame on genetics. Tell a man don't give me flowers, it's cool. My Amex is gold, I want all the credit. End of the film, don't you start to regret what happened last night, the one time that I let 21 missed calls, sent you a message. Read it and weep like I shouldn't have. Yellow and green put you onto the tennis. Is it too late if I find
Senior VIP sales director in the heart of Europe.
Guys, so we just got done with our first meeting. Now we're headed to another meeting at the diamond industry manufacturing. So we're gonna head there and then I'm gonna film there. So see you soon. Bye bye.
I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing, I ain't your body, as long as you dreaming about me.
Hi guys, now we're back home. I did end the last clip very abruptly. It's literally 55 degrees here. I've gotten tan. At this point, I'm gonna get a super next summer tan. And I've been editing the vlog. We also did some grocery shopping, got milk, water, all of that, chilling. At the moment, I have another meeting in 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna quickly wrap this up, hydrate a little bit, freshen up a little bit. And then we're gonna head to the next meeting. I'm gonna film it, of course, for you guys. So that's that. See you. Hi all, welcome to day 2. It is around 3 p.m. We had a really slow morning. We got ready super slow, had breakfast at home, and now we're going to finance center for a meeting, and then let's see what the day takes us. Let me do a little outfit check. Super cute, love this shirt. And it's not as hot, it's windy, but it is still super hot. And now we're waiting for our cab. We are now in the meeting. We're gonna have it soon. We're at the office.
But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference.
Welcome in Dubai. Today, 27 Mayo 2025. Welcome, guys.
Thank you so much.
And I wish, inshallah, we can have all our business together and we grow all, and inshallah all deal done. Welcome in Dubai. Yes, welcome.
I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Man, beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water.
Hey guys, we just got done with dinner. Burj Khalifa behind me. Got mango sorbet. And now we're gonna be heading home because Mom's gonna be doing her packing. Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of this Dubai vlog. It is Wednesday about 11:30 a.m. and I am gonna be heading to Business Bay for a brunch with the team of Evolutions, and I do plan on staying in Business Bay for a little bit longer than the brunch. Might leave a little bit earlier. Let's see how I feel. It is my first time going and meeting a whole new team, interacting with them, getting to learn something new. But mainly I'm only focusing on networking and curating the best circle that I can for my business. No matter what the people do, I mean, connections are always needed. A group who you can trust with, who you can grow with in Dubai, and that's that. Hey, now.
I'm tired of these scribbles, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you be with it. My word is like gold in my city. I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you.
Good morning, guys. It is around 6:15 a.m. and I'm already headed out for work. Yesterday was a bit of a slag. I don't know, the heat gets me here, but I decided to get up and just leave the house. And right now I'm headed to a cafe. I haven't even had breakfast yet, so I'm gonna have breakfast there. And yeah, I'm gonna work. Got a lot of things scheduled.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Never try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away.
Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? I wanted to wrap this video up and share a little bit of my reflection over the past few days that I've been filming. I've come to a realization that not everything is glitz and glam in Dubai. The internet loves to show you that, oh, I'm in a Ferrari or I'm in a Lamborghini and I'm speeding through it and going to parties and yachts. But some days it's just strategy calls or tight budgets, or there are nights that you're just trying to make sense of everything that you're doing. This is what building feels and looks like. It's not about spending every day chasing luxury. When you're building your business, when you're building yourself, it's about laying the bricks for a wealthier and more intentional future. And I'm in the thick of it, just like many of you guys watching this. The foundation stage might not look appealing to most of them, and that is where a lot of people just quit because they don't see the results as quickly as people show on YouTube. But that is what it is. If you're truly building something that is for an intentional, long-lasting future in whatever that you're building, you have to stick to it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video entirely and looking at my journey unfold in real time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're in your own building season. I'm looking forward to grow together. Until next time, bye bye.